This is the elevator, the glass elevator, the Carnegie sign.
You're going down, then coming back up?
Yeah.
Are you, that what you're doing? You're going down and coming back up?
Yes.
All right.
Ground level. Look out the window. Originally Schindler RT, then got modernized by Otis. Why we're gonna be stopping? We're stopping. Going down?
Yes. We're going down. Walk on into those rooms rally, okay? Thank you.
See? The dark clothes bun works.
The Children's Museum. I like it there.
I nearly got a membership there, but one membership's enough.
Right, right. It keeps you so busy too.
Yeah.
What?
There's a museum and this, but the children's museum's great.
Here's our G. Back up to 4.
Okay, ready?
Going up?
Alright, let's go out. Thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah, this thing's busy. This thing's quite busy. Which floor?
2, please.
Excuse me, please.
That's a thing.
We kept the original pump from when this was added on in 1991. This thing's busy. Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
Is this your stop? 4. Oh, it's not 5. Like that motor. Five's locked. Here you are, 4. There's your view into the atrium.